Wait, start over. You want to count?
1, 2, 3.
What comes after 3? 4.
5, 6, 9, 10.
9, 10. How about the ABCs? A, B.
C, D, I, F, G, A, B, O, R, S, T, V, W,
X. You alright? X. Y. Y. And. Y and.
O.
Z. Honey, you almost made it. Good job. That was really good.
What's that?
Oh, it's a cow.
A doggy.
Yeah.
A lion.
And a lion, yeah.
Lion.
What's this?
Horsey.
What do horses say?
Mm.
And what do cows say?
Moo.
And what do doggies say?
Moo.
What do doggies say? Woof. And what do lions say?
Roar.
Yeah. Good job. Here, let's look at something else.